Now let's start building your first sales funnel. So you can click on the funnels and click on create a funnel. There you'll see the different designs as before. They're obviously organized into different categories. You can start with an empty funnel, or you can start with one of ours that we currently created. So you can pick any design that you want and you can completely modify it. So for the sake of the example, let's pick a funnel like this, for example, a course, coaching course. Let's say that we are trying to sell something of a course. So you can select it, you can add a name to it, and click on save. Just like that, we've added the different steps for this funnel that you've selected, which has 3 steps, which is a landing page for the product, checkout page, and a thank you page. You can click on the landing page to start editing it, and you can see that you can completely modify anything about your funnel, which in this case, this is the landing page, and this is your proposition. So this is where you explain about the product, and then you have call to action to get people to go to the checkout and purchase the product that you're selling. The great thing about the sales funnels is that you can super simply and easily sell any type of product, and the great way is that because this is a funnel, it is fully customizable, and it's focused on that one product or a few set of products, and it doesn't have any distractions, so everything is focused towards that goal. So it is a lot more converting than just a regular store. So you can completely modify anything that you want. So you can change the text of the funnel, heading of the page. You can change the video, of course. You can double click and enter your YouTube video or anything that you want to add there. Even you can change the placeholder, the thumbnail. You can obviously change the pricing, some reviews if you have such, and obviously the call to action with some more details about the product that you have. The funnels that we've created and the pages that we have, they're meant for to give enough information, benefits of the product, happy customers, happy testimonials, which is important for the social proof and to help you get to more sales. So these are nice things to have. Of course, you can completely remove them, or you can add your own blocks by clicking on add block, where you have the great different designs that we have created for you, or you can create your own, of course, by clicking on the empty block. Alright, so this is the landing page. Again, you can completely modify it if you desire to fit your needs. Then you can just click on save to save the changes. When you click on the funnels button, you'll go back to the other pages, the other steps. And the checkout is one of the important ones, actually, where you'll actually be selling the product after somebody clicks on a button. So here we have an example of a checkout page, which has a little bit information about the product, which in this case is a course, a checkout on this site where that people will actually enter their information, and then you have again customer testimonials. You can remove them if you don't want, just like this. And yeah, now the important part is to modify the form in order to be selling your product. So by clicking on products, you can actually select what type of products you're trying to sell. By clicking on edit, you'll be selecting the product you want to be selling. Currently we have 3 created in our store. If you don't have any products yet, so you can create your own by clicking on add store product, and you'll be directed to the store functionality. There you'll be able to create a new product by clicking on add product and select what type of product you're trying to sell. If it is a physical product, simply click on physical, enter the name of the product. You can add an image, of course, for the sake of the example, this image, and let's say it's $99, and it's part of the category. And just like that, obviously you can add other things for the product and click on save. Just like that, we've created a product which we can now sell into the store of our funnel. So if you go to your funnel and then you go to the checkout, you're now able to select in products the product you just created, which is the last one. Click on confirm and it will be added to your checkout. So you can also add a bump offer, and a bump offer is, let me just show you what it is. It is something that people can actually check out upon before they submit the order. So they can add, let's say, the yoga newbie, grab this deal, bump title, wait, bump offer, some description, and let's say save. And just like that, we've added a bump offer. You'll see it when you go to the second step. You can also modify to have just one step for the whole checkout. So if you go to the styling actually and just click on one step checkout, you see the bump offer here that we've just created, and the product, which is the subtotal, is $99. This is the main product that we're selling. And when somebody clicks on to grab this deal, that will be added automatically to their final pricing. So just like that, you can sell things with one step or with two steps, depending how you want to structurize your proposition and how long you want it to be. You can obviously completely restyle the whole looks of your form by clicking on the styles and modifying it in real time. Of course, you can add different things to your form, such as allowing discount codes, enable registrations, ask for different information. If you're selling a product where you don't want to know much about the customer, you can just have it like this, about not asking about billing information. But since we're selling a physical product in this case, obviously there has to be a shipping information in order to know where to ship the product. But if it is a digital product, let's select a digital one. You actually see that we're not anymore required to collect that information, since it is a digital product and shipping is not required. So you can completely modify the form, and when the purchase is made, you will see we can actually make a test here. So when somebody fills in the form, go to the next step, you can grab the next deal and complete the order. You'll be redirected to the thank you page, which is part of the landing of the funnel that you've created. So you can actually see that thank you page here. When you go to thank you, you'll see that when somebody submits, they'll be redirected to the thank you page, which in this case has a video and with courses, whatever it is that the funnel is trying to achieve. And now if you go to your sales section, you see that you have one sale for $150. You can see the sale here, the order, which is with status not paid, because we've selected to be payment on delivery in this case, and the product that you're selling, which is the yoga experts and the yoga newbies, which is the upsell. So simple as that. You can track all the orders. You can see more details when you click on view orders and see them in the store, and has more detailed information about them. Or go back and play around with your funnel and create different types of layouts and things that you're trying to do. But as you can see, it's so simple and easy to start collecting payments, to promote your products, and to be very focused into that specific thing that you're trying to do. So yeah, these are some amazing designs of landing pages, of thank you pages and checkouts that are optimized for conversions, and all you have to do is change a little things about the text, benefits, images, and you're ready to go. You can start selling today in just a few minutes pretty much. So these are how you start your first funnel, and in the next video I will show you how to connect billing, shipping, and other things about your funnels, and how to connect them to your whole process of collecting payment.